Okay, so here's a short video about how to make the animated letters for showing students how to form letters of the alphabet correctly. So all I have done here is I've created a blank white presentation. I've added some lines by going to the Add button and to Shapes. That's where you'll find the lines there. If you're wanting to change the colour of them, you just need to tap on a line and go to the paintbrush, and that's where you can change the colour and style of your lines. Okay, so I'm just going to tap out of that again now. I'm using an Apple Pencil today, but you can just as easily use the drawing feature, which again is by going to the plus sign. You need to go to the fourth tab, which I call the media button. And if you scroll down, you'll see that there's the drawing option, and that's going to allow you to use your finger to draw the letters. Okay, just tapping out of that again. I've got my Apple Pencil, so I'm just going to go ahead and add the letters of the alphabet here. I'm just using a crayon texture. Okay, once I've done that, I'm going to go up to the three dots in the circle at the top right. You can see that it's highlighted both of those letters together. I'm going to go to the scroll down to the Animate button, and I'm going to go Add Build-In, and then the one I'm looking for is Line Draw. Now you may have two line draws like I do. The first one is just that it's showing that it's your one that you use regularly. So either one, it does exactly the same thing. You can see here it's just going to copy the letters that I've done. A little bit fast, so I'm going to press on the X now. And if I tap on Line Draw again, this is where I can change the duration. So I can just drag it out, make it go a little bit longer, maybe 7 seconds, or about there, somewhere around there. The acceleration too, I might want to have none, so it doesn't do those angles of that lowercase letter A really quickly. Okay, once I'm done with that, I can come up here to the three lines that are next to the word done. And I actually want this to happen straight away. So instead of it being that I have to tap on the screen to get it play, I'm going to go to After Transition, and then I am done. So I'm going to go top right to done. I'm just going to play it, make sure it works how I would like it to do. That A's, lowercase a is still a little bit fast, so I could go back in, go to my three dots again, go to Animate, and see if I can make some changes to make that slow down. It may actually be that when I'm actually writing the letter, I might have to slow that down a little bit as well. Okay, so I'm just going to go done. And the last final step that we need to do is we're going to export it as a video. So we're going to go to the three dots again. We're going to hit the export button, and we're going to save it as a movie. Okay, don't really need to make any changes here. Going to export it, and I'm going to save my video, so that will save it to my camera roll. And if I open up my camera roll now, you can see here that I can play that little video. Okay. And I can then, from here, I could go to that export and I could share it with students. I could actually put multiple pages in the Keynote and have one page for each letter of the alphabet and get it to play all in one row, or I could keep them separate. Entirely up to you. Hope that helps. Happy iPadding.